Let's talk about an exciting approach to body contouring, what we call our cold and hot body contouring. Hi, I'm Dr. Terence Tan from Halley Body Shaming Clinic. So what is hot and cold? It combines two specifically scientifically proven technologies, CoolSculpting Elite and Vanquish by BTL. And this is very effective in fat reduction and body contouring. On the cold side, we have CoolSculpting Elite that uses cryolipolysis to stimulate and eliminate unwanted fat cells. On the hot side, we have Vanquish Me, which harnesses radio frequency energy to heat and break down fat cells. CoolSculpting Elite works on the principle of cryolipolysis. Sounds complex, but it's actually just fat freezing. It targets stubborn fat areas by using controlled cooling. The fat cells are frozen, destroyed, then naturally eliminated by our body's immune system over time. It's effective and great for those pockets of fat that just wouldn't go away with diet or exercise. Vanquish, on the other hand, uses radio frequency energy to heat the fat layer beneath your skin. It gently heats the fat layers across a broad area, reducing fat cells while tightening and firming skin at the same time. It is a comfortable treatment and ideal for treating larger areas like the abdomen, the thighs, the back or bra fat, and even the arms. Because we found out that by doing both of them together or in rapid succession, the results are synergistic. Let me explain. Both treatments are actually quite similar, but both treatments are actually also quite different. So what do I mean? It's very similar in that the people who are suitable and the people who want this treatment generally want a comfortable, non-invasive treatment that's effective and fairly well studied and safe. But how it works is entirely different. CoolSculpting is probably a little bit faster. Vanquish is probably a little bit slower. It requires a few different treatments. Whereas CoolSculpting is better for low fat and Vanquish is probably a little bit better for diffuse bulky fat. Lastly, when we do the treatment, how the fat is removed, how the fat is killed is different. The feeling you get, the speed of the treatment, the recovery is entirely different. So my hypothesis is that certain fat bulges are better with CoolSculpting, and within the same bulge, certain cells are probably a little bit more responsive to heat-based treatment like Vanquish. So why don't we combine both of them together? These treatments are generally suitable for individuals who want targeted contouring and have concerns about stubborn fat. It is certainly not an effective weight loss treatment, but a fat reduction treatment that helps shape the body. The combination of these two treatments can give a really comprehensive result, with CoolSculpting Elite targeting problem spots more effectively and Vanquish targeting bulky fat. Patients often choose these treatments after pregnancy in preparation for an event like wedding or holiday, or simply want their body to be more contoured. Generally speaking, CoolSculpting and Vanquish are very effective and safe treatments. Of course, they are not for everybody. For example, for CoolSculpting Elite, if you have a condition which is very rare, that your body is sensitive to cold, or if you might have a hernia, which is a medical condition whereby there's a defect in your abdominal wall, you may not be suitable for CoolSculpting treatment. Whereas Vanquish uses radio frequency, and as such, if you have a pacemaker or certain metals within your body, please let the doctor know you might not be suitable for Vanquish. Otherwise, it is suitable for most people and can reduce stubborn fat. For CoolSculpting Elite, the doctor will first assess the patient's condition, outline a detailed CoolSculpting Elite treatment plan by marking out areas that need to be treated. After that, it's just getting the job done. We'll put a gel pad that doubles up as an antifreeze to put on the skin to protect the skin, and thereafter we will put a CoolSculpting Elite applicator, similar to what you see over here, which will suck in the fat and cool the fat to between -9 to 11 degrees Celsius. Each cycle takes maybe about 35 to 64 minutes to complete. It is very, very comfortable. You can read, nap, or even do whatever during the treatment itself. For Vanquish, we have a panel like this, almost like a radar dish, which hovers just above the treatment area without touching it. During that time, there will be radio frequency passing across the fat, heating up the fat layer to, well, between 40 to about 45 degrees Celsius. The staff will come in to monitor the temperature with a temperature gun every few minutes, making sure that the procedure is both safe and effective. And when we do that, the effects of CoolSculpting can be synergized with the effects of Vanquish, leading to a more effective treatment and, of course, having a safe and enjoyable experience. The areas that we treat, how we treat, of course, can be customized, but the concept is synergy in heat and cold. Whether you're doing Vanquish or doing CoolSculpting Elite, there is little to no downtime. Most patients can resume their daily activities right after treatment. Even if you need to do exercise, it might hurt a little, but if you're okay with that, please go ahead. Long-term results still depend on having a healthy lifestyle, and therefore don't forget your exercise, good diet, and don't forget to have regular follow-up consultations with your own doctor to help you track your progress and optimize your treatment plan so that you get long-lasting, durable, and fantastic results. There we have it, Dr. Terence Tan from Halley Body Slimming Clinic signing off. See you in the next video.